Craftsman Automation Ltd, a precision components manufacturer, with a market cap of 9,114 crore rupees, and currently trading at 4,314 rupees per share. The company has a 29% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 78% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company was established in the year 1986. They are based in Coimbatore, with more than 790 employees, and 1,800 workers. They have 13 manufacturing units, located in Pan-India. They got listed on NSE and BSE in March 2021. The product segment of the company are automotive powertrain, aluminium, and industrial and engineering. About 51% of the total sales are from automotive powertrain segment, which has 11 manufacturing plants, 3 for aluminium, and 3 for industrial and engineering. It is important to note that the revenue of the company from its top 10 customers is almost 58%. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. The profits increased more than 6 times in last 4 years. The company is giving good dividends every year. The last dividend of rupees 11.25 per share was paid in June 2023. There is a small drop in the promoters' holding of the company. However, we can see a good portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company, which are increasing from quarter to quarter. Some clients of the company are Tata Motors, Daimler India, Mahindra, Royal Enfield, Siemens, Ashok Leyland, Escorts Tractors, TAFE Motors and Tractors, and many more. Coming to some key highlights. In 2023, company acquired DR Axion India Private Limited to strengthen their presence in the passenger vehicle segment. Company has one wholly owned subsidiary in Netherlands, one subsidiary, and one joint venture in India. Company is planning to set up 3 new manufacturing plants in Nagpur, Faridabad, and Chennai. They have an experienced management team. In 2023, the credit rating of the company was upgraded by Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited. Company exports to over 18 countries. And the revenue concentration of the company is 8% from exports, and 92% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.